immutable. There are the two data types are present in Python. Mutable means modifiable, and immutable means not modifiable. Okay, first one, list. As you know, familiar about the list, and a list can modify it. List can modify it as, you know, suppose you are working in a in Python prompt. So what you do, at first you have to make up, suppose p1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have to assign the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of the p1. So what is result inside of memory? Suppose I am talking about memory, means RAM. I am talking about the RAM, and inside the RAM, it's make up p1. P1, this is a variable name, and it's stored in indexing format just like of this, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we do, how the memory is stored, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This format the memory is stored. इस format में क्या होगा, memory store होगी. Suppose you are there, and this result, as you know, related of RAM, when you have to run the program and you are finding p1 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you know, if you use print option and you use a p1 and press the enter key, what the result come? The result come is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is displayed in this monitor screen. So you require to modify instantly. So what you have to do, you just go the Python prompt and you write up p and 2 equal to 30. Suppose you have to use 30. So what the result come in front of you? What is the impact on the RAM? अब क्या होगा जब आप ऐसा करोगे तो RAM में क्या impact होगा? जो 2 indexing है उस indexing की जगह 3 की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? 30 हो जाएगा. So change of 30. अब यानी ये हो गया. अगले टाइम में अगर आप क्या करते हैं, प्रिंट कमांड का यूज करते हैं, यू हैव टू यूज अ प्रिंट कमांड एंड यू राइट अ p1 एंड प्रेस द एंटर की, देन वैल्यूज कम 1, 2, 30, 4, 5. द रिजल्ट इज डिस्प्ले. यानी तुरंत ही आपका रिजल्ट यहाँ पे चेंज हो गया, यानी मॉडिफिएबल. लिस्ट इज मॉडिफिएबल. किसकी बात हो रही है? लिस्ट की बात हो रही है. बट इन केस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, यू नो, tuple हैज द सेम मेथड ऑफ लिस्ट, बट parenthesis in a bracket difference, small bracket is using in a tuple. Tuple में किसका यूज होता है? Small bracket का. You have use of p equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and a small bracket means it is tuple. ये tuple है and it is list. Okay, but it is not modifiable in this process. जैसे इसको आपने modify किया उस तरीके से इसे modify आप नहीं कर सकते. So you cannot modify. Okay, now we are talking about the next one. First one is it is also integer, float and boolean and string and tuple. I already discussed about the tuple. So tuple is completed and it's okay. Now I'm talk to the integer. How it is not modifiable? We just see the result. What the result is display. Okay, now we just talk about first one, a equal to. Suppose we have to assign the value 10. So now the value of a is 10. Okay, as you know, where it's make RAM and this variable name is a and the value is 10. Means ये हो गया. इसका सबसे पहले बात करते हैं, ये क्या है? ये variable है. It is variable and 10 is value and its place is called address. Address. Okay, if I want to know the address of a, so what I use id method, and it suppose its address is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose its address is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have pressed the enter key. After pressing of this, and it's display the result. What the result display? It display 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's display the result. तो id फंक्शन या id मेथड किसका काम करता है? इट्स डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट. एड्रेस डिस्प्ले करने का काम करता है. इट्स डिस्प्ले द रिजल्ट. ओके, नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. यू आर वर्किंग इन द पाइथन प्रॉम्प्ट एंड you use b equal to a. So as you know, what is the value of A? A's value is 10. 10. A की value कितनी है? 10. So you are assigning the A, but as A is not assigning inside of B. B के अंदर A assign नहीं होगा. It's assign the value of A. A की value इसके अंदर चलेगी. Because it is not a modifiable. Okay, so if you print B and then result display 10. Result display 10. 10 result यहाँ पे display होगा. Okay, same as boolean have a true and false. And I am talking about the next one, floating point. Floating point number, as you are familiar, suppose here x equal to 2.5. This is the floating point. And what we do? Suppose y equal to x. हमने किया. So as you know, the value of x is 2.5. And we have to assign the x, but x is not assigned, its value is assigned. 0.2 assign. If you want to print of a y, print y, press the enter key, then result come to 0.5. So the same things for the boolean yes and no. And next one is string. How we understand the string? Group of character which is bonded with a single inverted comma or double inverted comma. So just like A equal to Amit, it is in double quotation. The value of A is AMIT, the value is assigning of A. A के अंदर ये value assigned. So if you print A, then it's a display the Amit.